The second oh my god tip lives in m365copilot.com, and it's about the researcher agent. If you can't find it, just go into all agents. You should be able to find it. And we will ask Copilot to help me prepare for my next week because it's a very busy week. So I will click here on this pre-built prompt that says, help me prepare for my meetings for the upcoming week, including asks on me, recommendations for clear actions to prepare, and suggestions on which item to prioritize over others. It's very important that you pick the sources right here. In this case, I want to plan for my week. I want Copilot to go look in my work documents. So I will turn off the web. I will also turn off my SharePoint, but I will keep my emails, my meetings, and my chats from my Teams and Outlook because I want it to go search into this, and I will turn off Power BI. I will send the prompt. Just an FYI, you need a paid M365 Copilot license for this tip to work. And the researcher agent, it might ask you some question or it might go straight into searching. It takes a few minutes, so I will show you the results in just a few seconds. After just a few seconds, Copilot helped me plan my week. It listed all of my meetings right here, as you can see. And then it gave me my top 3 action items, very well designed right here with small cards, super useful, super actionable. And I think the best thing is right here, I have a detailed meeting preparation. And if I click on this arrow right here that I won't do right now because it's all confidential, I will have step-by-step on how I should prepare for all of these meetings. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you have all of the sources right here. So if you click, you can basically see here all of the sources where this information came from. And when I click on it, it will bring me to my Teams meeting, my Outlook calendars, etc., etc. So in just a matter of a second, Copilot has prepared my week just like this. And I think it is worth a little, oh my God, to the next tip. The Copilot tip you just saw is one of the 7 tips that I'm showing in my video. 7 Copilot tips that will make you say, oh my God. It's right here. You know what to do next.